Here we are at the Yamaha dealer in town. I don't know if I'm feeling the bluish purple, but it's still beautiful. This one's got just over 1,000 miles on it, so I've already surpassed that by like 500 miles. Sure is a beauty, isn't it? And that sucker right there, seeing as how they're so hard to find used, probably goes for almost as much as new, especially with that low mileage. Now I'm gonna have some fun, if you don't mind, checking out some motorcycles for my future when I'm not so poor. Well, this is what I would look like on a little Ducati. Oh, I don't know if I'm feeling the angle though. I couldn't ride long highway trips like this. I'm bent way too far forward. This would kill my back after about an hour. V-twin, Yami. Oh, this one the same thing. Handlebars so far forward. I feel like I'm totally hunched over. I don't know if I could deal with that. And even if I tried to sit up and ride with one hand, I'd still have to lean a little bit like this if I was cruising on the highway. So, after a quick little stop at Yamaha dealer, check out that Smax. It was a 2015 with 1,000 miles, can you believe that? Anyway, here we are off to the side of the Highway 93 in Hamilton. We're going to take a little ride up to the east and just see where we end up. Why not? Let's take Ricketts. So if we go up this way, it heads to the shooting range, and why the hell not? Unfortunately, can't shoot though. I only have 6 rounds on me. Tires on here. I'm already starting to get so comfortable gripping curves with this thing, you know, like counter steering these guys here, that with some better gripping tires, man, it's going to be a blast. And sitting on those sport bikes, that's just too far hunched over for me. I need a more, I don't know, symmetrical type seat. Maybe I'm just getting old or something. But I can't be doing, you know, 2 or 3 hour long rides hunched over. Alright, so here is the Whitaker rifle and pistol range, the one I use. Take you for a quick little tour through here. And of course my friend's not working. Oh, we'll go say hi anyway, and I need a bait. Well, here you go. There's the office right there. And there's somebody that lives on site right here to look after the place. Roxy, of course, the badass Yamaha. And yeah, all the action is down that way. And I need a vape before we ride on. All right, let's ride our way on out of here. give those storms about an hour tops before they roll through town. Why don't we keep going to the south? Yeah, those the crosswinds back there are getting really, really strong, and I was only doing like 40, 45. And now we have a choice, back home or extend this ride just a little longer. You already know the answer to that one, don't you? A little longer. Alright, headed south now. You've seen this road before. I gotta tell you, those winds, it's like free two-wheel air conditioning. Yeah, I think we're gonna go ahead and make the big loop. This is Owings Creek Road, but we're gonna pass it up and keep going this way. Sooner or later we'll come out at Roaring Lion. Then we'll take that back to the highway, loop the highway back home. Oh shit, I gotta remember the potholes on this section. You know, every time I've passed by here, I've been dying to get a picture of this creek, and today is the day. Well, that was peaceful. Off we go. There was some huge crosswinds back there. Okay, see how it feels on the highway. Yeah, you can definitely feel those strong crosswinds. I was having to lean into them a little bit, really blowing you sideways. So I think that's going to wrap this quickie up. And hope you enjoyed. I sure did. Nothing like Graham, we went in a little ride before